Hi everyone, I'm back and I've got another keto recipe here for you. I've recreated the DQ chicken and waffles, but we've done it all keto style. Here's what you will need. You'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken tenders, keto waffles, or you can make them homemade, a keto syrup, keto-friendly flour, eggs, olive oil for cooking, pink salt and pepper. You'll need real butter, and then a 1 cupper, a tablespoon, and a fry pan and spatula. Start by taking 4 tablespoons of the olive oil on a heat a little higher than medium and get that hot. You'll take 2 eggs and scramble it up in a bowl. Take 1 cup of the keto-friendly flour, and then you're going to dip the chicken breast, into the egg and then into the flour and right into your hot oil. You're going to put over it pink salt and pepper and just let them cook up. Once they're cooked on one side, flip them over and do the same thing, pink salt and pepper again to taste. Then you're going to take your keto waffles by the Birch Benders. They also make a Birch Benders syrup. And you're going to toast those up and you're going to put real butter on them and the syrup. And there it is, you guys. Oh my gosh, this was so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to see the video tomorrow on this. If you like a sweet and salty or sweet and savory, this is delicious. And it was 10 net carbs for that plate right there. Definitely try it out and make this for your kids. Dairy Queen ain't got nothing on me. And always remember to keep it keto.